Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn typecasting in Python. So it's a super easy to learn using ChatGPT, as you know that. And here, why we require to use typecasting? Yes, I would like to show you the main important points. Let's see what the explaining as ChatGPT will see. Then I'll explain you what the typecasting, why we require to use it. Basically, typecasting means one data type to another data type. If we need to convert the type of data in using of a variable data which is already loaded, then it is required typecasting. Typecasting is nothing but the data which is the value item which is storing into the variable one data type to we are converting forcefully into another data type. That is the typecasting. See here, explain typecasting in Python. So you have to understand already built-in methods are available in Python programming language. That's it. Such a simple and super understanding. Why? Let's see very simple easy example it is given us for Python. So like our ChatGPT artificial intelligence AI tool. Typecasting in a Python refers converting one data type to another data type. This can be done using built-in functions like int, float, string. For example, converting an integer to string, see here number 123 it is given. See, I'll show you here by writing, yes, let me write here, number 123, it's a number as you know that. So this number if I want to convert into string, how it is possible? Str is a method, str of num means that variable we have to put here. Now here I can, my number, one more variable I am taking. So my number I can get it like a print of my num. So if I run this program, I'll get 123 as string. How we would know? Yes, there is a built-in method is there, type. So what type of data it is, if you want to know, type function is already there. That type function you can use to understand class str. Any type of data if you want to know, like assign the data, and if you can try to convert it and str, and you can check it your way. Okay, how super easy the typecasting we learned with using ChatGPT. So beautifully, str is there, int is there, float is there, many of the methods, built-in methods are there to check it. If you are not satisfied with this sufficient answer, you just also ask regenerate. By clicking the regenerate, you may get explored query like a description, or you can add your query to more elaboration in some words also you can specify. Got it? I hope it's a super easy lecture for you. It is generating the same way. So you can add it much more. See, 42 int is also added, float is also added, converting into the integer into float that way. I hope this lecture useful for you in the different scenarios to understanding data and converting into your way to transforming to specific requirement for your purpose. I'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.